Let us now use the offset surface and the thicken command in the Siemens NX surface mode. First, let's try thicken. We can increase thicken the surface by selecting the surface, increase the thickness. Also, multiple faces can be selected as shown. Click OK to create the thickened surface. We can use offset. So before I use offset, I will hide the thicken and I will only show the faces. Click on offset, select the face that needs to be offsetted. I'll make it as 10 mm and in the opposite direction. As you can see, the offset has been created. Multiple surfaces can also be selected. In this case, what I will be selecting only this surface. Click it as 10, opposite direction and click OK. So the offset has been created, and in case I want these two surface as well, I will make another offset and 10 along with this surface and give it as OK.